Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day because there's been a lot going on in the beauty community. What is going on? So if you have not, please like and subscribe to this video, ring my bell, and let's get into all this mess that's been going on. So I'm going to be doing a getting ready with me kind of video and just talking to you guys. There's been a lot going on in my life and just I've been busy like always, and got a couple exciting things coming up, but a hydrating face primer. This is Ulta Beauty, so I'm just gonna prime my face. So yeah, what is going on? This whole James Charles and Tati drama, it's a lot. It's just like turned the entire beauty community into this craziness, and it's just like, it doesn't need to be what it is. You know, I felt bad for Tati, her feelings got hurt, and James Charles, he is a young kid, if you want to say. He's 19, he's got a lot of growing up to do, and you know, he's one of the biggest, he's like a really big icon in the beauty industry. I don't know, I just feel like people need to stop, like Tati said, stop taking sides, and as a huge influencer, he needs to probably just take time off from everything he's doing and possibly just go home to New York and chill out. And I kind of just feel sorry for him because, you know, he is such a huge influencer, and it sucks for him because he has a huge following, you know, so does Tati, and this whole people are unsubscribing to him and then going to her, and you know, it was a big misunderstanding on his standpoint, even though Tati and him were such good friends, and you know, he did betray her, but it's gonna take time for her and him to heal from all of this. And only thing I could say is a small, tiny, I'm like this big compared to any of them, but you know, as a small influencer as I am, or creator, or whatever you want to call me, you know, I look up to these big influencers to get ideas and tips and things, and I look for them for inspiration. And it just sucks that there's just been this huge divide in the entire community, beauty community right now. So the only things I could say is that people need to be kind to one another and stop all this hate, like Tati did say. James, I don't think you'll ever watch this, but I just think that you have a lot of growing up to do. I'm sure a lot of people have told you that, and you'll find your peace. You'll make your peace with all of this, and you know, I hope you and Tati come out stronger than whatever comes out of it, if you guys do rekindle your friendship or not. But you could see Tati was hurting a lot, and that sucked because like she said, they put a lot of their lives out there online, and it sucks when something like this happens and it becomes so huge, and it's just like, oh my gosh, what's gonna happen next, and all this crazy drama. But I don't know, that's just my little 2 cents about how I feel. And honestly, some days, especially during the week, the week is so busy, I lose my motivation to do this. But then I just realized, you know, I'm doing this just because I love makeup, and I love buying makeup and trying it out and getting good deals and stuff like that. That's why I like doing this. I'm not trying to become this huge famous person. I mean, if that ever happens, that'd be kind of cool, but you know, I'm just taking it as it is and doing what I can each day. And some days at my work, it just gets really stressful and hard, and I don't want to come home and turn on a camera and do a video. So, but I need to also get out of that rut, because this is my escape. This is where I come to escape and just be creative. You know, I have so many ideas that I want to do, but I haven't done any of them because of my own self. I don't know, I'll get back into it. I think everybody falls on and off the wagon of ASOT is a state of trance. Trance music is a type of music. It's not like techno, but I guess if people who don't know what trance music is, I'll put a couple links in this description box below, and I'll introduce you to trance music, because trance music is a huge part of my life and my husband's life, and we go to different trance festivals around the world. There's one coming up called Luminosity. That's another huge trance festival, and that's a lot of fun. Music festivals itself, they're a lot of fun. So next I'm gonna take my Hard Candy eyeshadow primer and just prime my eyes. I'm supposed to make videos about them, but I've been slacking, so I'm gonna get on it. So I do have some really sad news. Game of Thrones, my my Queen Daenerys. Tomorrow is the last episode. There's the beautiful palette here. I have to do a look with this. I was trying to get the huge kit, but that's like literally impossible to get, so I just didn't even bother. I tried to get it, but then like the order I ordered got canceled and all this drama-ness, but this video is gonna be all over the place. But let's just look how beautiful this palette is. This is the Urban Decay Game of Thrones palette, and it says Lannister, Targaryen, Baratheon, Stark, Tyrell. They all just spoke on a wheel. This one's on top, then that one's on top, and on it spins, crushing those on the ground. Daenerys Targaryen. I love her. I don't care what anyone says. I know she's a real badass woman right now and she's not on anyone's good side, but she's still my queen. I did a look for my friend Rachel. Hi Rachel. I was Daenerys for a viewing party, and that was a lot of fun. I love Daenerys. You know, she came up from nothing and she just wanted what was rightfully what she thought was her title to the crown, her title to the realms, the 7 realms. But then Mr. Jon had to come along. I still love Jon. I love you, Kit Harrington. My favorite is still Robb Stark, even though he died in season 4. You know, this show, it's just so crazy. It's so incredible to see how crazy people can get and how. Anyways, let's get back into this cool palette. It's so beautiful. The colors in here are really, really pretty. So there's all the colors here, and then there's this is like the White Walker palette, or the hue of colors. This is Winterfell, King's Landing, and then the Bay of Dragons is at the bottom. So I will create a look and I'll do swatches on this. And then of course the Iron Throne. It's kind of cool. And then they're just saying in here, never forget what you are, the rest of the world will not. Wear it like armor, and it can never be used to hurt you. Tyrion Lannister. 35V palette. And I'm just gonna create a look with it, because this is just a getting ready with me video. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this light color right here and put it above my eyelids. Put it above my eyelids to blend it in with M153 brush to do that. So tell me, what kind of music do you guys like to listen to? It doesn't have to just be one type of music, and that's the thing. I don't like just one type of music. I like all types of music. Okay, the next color I'm going to go in with is Turned On, kind of like this burnt orange color. Either this one or Heat down here. So yeah, like I said, going back, this video is going to be all over the place, but that's alright. I just think that, you know, these influencers and stuff who have these huge platforms and who have these huge followings, they need to use their platforms for good and just bring goodness to the world. And, you know, I'm gonna take this color Twist and put it underneath the color I just put on. I'm gonna do a couple other videos after this. I have a little Marshall's haul. I got some really good things at Marshall's the other day. A little Ulta haul. I'm gonna try to cut the crease in a second. So I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. I know it looks really scary right now, but we're gonna fix it right now. I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics number 24 brush and in the color, maybe even Crush. Yeah, I think I like how that looks instead. This is a really pretty purple, really violet-y purple color. It took me a really long time to figure out how to do a cut crease and how to do it like the correct way, because when I would do my cut crease before, I wasn't taking it up high. I learned in my beauty class that you take it up higher. Khadijah, thank you for telling me how to do this correctly. So I'm gonna finish up some of this look off camera. I'll be right back. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Cushion Mega Foundation SPF 15. I love this stuff. I got it, I don't remember how long ago, but I like it because it has coconut oil in it and it smells really good. And it has like a cooling, feeling like when you put it on your face. And I'm just using my AOA Studio High Definition brush to put it on. I'm gonna take this Ulta eyeliner and align my eyes. Okay, so I put some lashes on. Just gonna do a little bit of contouring and a little bit of blush, a little bit of highlighting, then I should be done. I'm gonna be using my Profusion contour kit. This is a really good contouring kit, but my dumbass messed it up. This is on my nose. I guess that's just how my nose is. This weird thing going on. Okay, I'm almost done with my look. This look is taking too long to do. I'm just gonna take my BH Cosmetics CG Fun blush, and it has a little bit of a shimmer in it. And then my Master Chrome Maybelline. I just love this highlighter. I really do. This is probably like my favorite highlighter that I have. One of them. I've got the Becca ones, but for like my go-to, definitely this. It's so pretty. Okay, after so long, this look is done. I love how this look came out. My eyes look good. Everything looks pretty good. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my channel. Ring my bell, and thank you guys for supporting me. And you know, just we all have to be kind to one another. And you know, there's so much hate going on in this world. We don't need to keep adding to it. We need to bring positivity to our channels and bring love and just continue to be nice to one another and not bash each other, and you know, the world will be a better place. So until next time, bye everybody. Bye guys.